Hello, welcome to an e-demo on how to add a device using the equivalent model functionality in VideoEdge. New, not yet supported cameras can be added to the system by using the equivalent model functionality, and this allows newer cameras to be added to VideoEdge and they will behave similar to other cameras of the same manufacturer. This feature can be used for Aricont, Bosch, Fleur, Panasonic, Samsung and VideoTech cameras only. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is sign into my VideoEdge here as an administrator, and the first step is to add the camera using the generic handler. So I'm just going to choose the plus icon, give my device a name, and I just enter the IP address of that device and choose save then. Okay, with that done, you'll see that the device has been added to the VideoEdge. As I said, it's been added using the generic handler, and we can tell that because it says generic here in the device handler section. What we need to do though is we need to make a note of the current model name and the naming convention. As you can see, we have that here. And once I've written that down, I'm going to choose the checkbox next to the camera and just remove it from the recorder. Okay, so I'm going to log out. I'm going to log back in as a support user. And once I'm in as a support user, I'm going to go up to my address bar and I'm going to navigate to the URL HTTP and then the IP address of my VideoEdge. Then it's going to be /QA tools/camera/CONF/equivalent model. I'm going to navigate to that page then, and that's going to take me to the equivalent model page. First thing I need to do here is choose the vendor from this list, and in this case it's VideoTech, and then I need to choose an equivalent model. In this case you need to select a camera that has the closest functionality to the model which you want to add. I'm just going to choose this one because it's pretty similar to the camera that I have, and then what I need to do is enter that model number that I've noted down from my device list before, and that's the model of the camera which I'm actually adding. So in this case it was FE8174V, and once you've done that you can choose the add button and OK, and then you'll see down below in the mapping section you're going to have the new model mapped to the equivalent model, and I'll just save that, and then I'm going to go back up to my address bar and just navigate again to the IP address of my VideoEdge to bring me back to my device list, and from here what I can do is choose plus and just go ahead and add that camera as normal then. So I'll give it a name and enter its IP address again. And if I choose the save button, you'll see that this time it's been added, but the device handler mentions the equivalent model and it's also preceded by an EQ. If I move over to my Victor then, I'll be able to see that that camera's come through, and if I double click it, I'll be able to stream it.